If you are a committee member in a society or a facility manager, or you own a building which has a diesel generator installed for providing backup, you need to know this very important thing. It is mandatory to submit a DG return on a quarterly basis for the number of units you have consumed as per the guidelines of the government. Even if you are not generating any power or consuming any units in a particular quarter, filing the return is mandatory. If you fail to do so, you will be liable to pay a penalty of rupees 10,000 per quarter. A Form B has to be submitted every quarter at the government office, and an amount of rupees 1.2 per unit has to be paid as duty for the electricity generated as per the Bombay Electricity Duty Act. In case you have not filed these returns or you want to know more about this, you can get in touch with us at the below contact details.